Hey guys, Rob here at Great Lakes Alliance, and getting the generator fired up for the upcoming camping season. And we're supposed to have a big storm tonight, so we got the Champion fired up. Just got done doing an oil change. And put the wheel assembly on it. Didn't have wheels on it. 40 bucks off Amazon. Got the wheel assembly. Got it all hooked up with the handle. Works great. Yep, just firing her up for the first time. Got the oil change done and looking good. So getting ready for the upcoming camping season. So next time, check you later.